So, there's this fascinating breakthrough where researchers uncovered a key bone strengthening mechanism that could potentially reverse osteoporosis by targeting this receptor called GPR133.
Right.
It appears that when this receptor is activated, bone-building cells, the osteoblasts, get supercharged.
That's really interesting. How exactly did they show it works?
Well, they ran experiments on mice. In cases where the GPR133 gene was missing, they observed weak bones, kind of like the bone density loss we see with osteoporosis. But when they activated it with a chemical, AP503, bone strength improved significantly. It's like turning on a switch that makes the osteoblasts work over time.
Oh, interesting. So AP503 is kind of like a booster for bone formation?
Exactly. It's as if
Right.
AP503 acts like a biological button that not only kicks the osteoblasts into gear, but also works alongside exercise to further strengthen the bones. This dual approach could be a game changer for conditions like osteoporosis, especially in, say, postmenopausal women.
Right. So we're talking about potential treatments that, unlike current ones with heavy side effects, might actually rebuild bone?
Yes, though we gotta be a bit cautious since all these tests are on mice, researchers believe the underlying process is similar in humans, pointing to real promise for future medications that could actually reverse, not just slow, bone loss.
I remember reading about another approach involving a blood-based implant that uses synthetic peptides to repair broken bones. How does that fit in?
Great point. That research from a 2024 study showed that using a 3D printed gel-like implant made from a patient's own blood could supercharge bone repair.
Right, exactly.
Pretty nifty, right? It highlights the broader theme here, leveraging the body's natural repair mechanisms by augmenting them with targeted interventions.
Now, I get that these findings are promising, but don't you think there are potential challenges translating this to, say, human treatment?
Absolutely. I mean, while the animal model results are super encouraging, human trials are essential to rule out unforeseen side effects and to confirm effectiveness. Still, the fact that both
Fair enough.
AP503 and the blood-based implant target fundamental processes like the GPR133 activation and natural bone repair really underlines how smart our body is.
And then there's also the discovery of that new hormone in female mice enhancing bone density, right?
Yes, it's like nature's own bone-building secret. This maternal brain hormone seems to dramatically ramp up bone mass and strength. It's exciting to think about all these angles converging to offer alternative therapies that could dramatically improve quality of life for millions.
It's encouraging to see such innovative approaches, even though, translating from mice to humans always carries some unpredictability. The prospect for reversing osteoporosis looks pretty bright.
Exactly, and as research continues, we might soon have more clinical data to truly transform how we treat bone-weakening conditions.
Yep, very promising
It's an
indeed.
exciting time for bone health research, where we're harnessing both genetic and biochemical insights to turn things around.
Overall, it's a bold step forward, combining gene activation, chemical agents, and even the body's own healing strategies. The future of treating osteoporosis could be transformative.
Absolutely. And it really shows how a deeper understanding of our own biology can lead to more effective targeted therapies.